going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing off my first motorized bike I ever built. Not necessarily showing it off, but pretty much showing people how to install a CDI. If you're pretty much new to motorized bikes, this pretty much controls the spark and whatnot. Anytime the piston goes up and down, it sets off a spark. That way the spark plug can pretty much spark the engine. Spark the piston, creates a combustion and whatnot, and gives you power. So, like I said, this is the first bike I ever built. I have modifications done to this over time. Stuff have broke and I just fixed. This is pretty much my junk engine. I had to throw it back on this bike just to see if it will run, but that bike over there, that engine's coming off of there and coming on this one. So as you can see, I'm missing the CDI right there, and let me go ahead and show you how to put this on. So pretty much you just want to match the colors up. Blue goes to blue, black goes to black right here. The white wire is not really necessary, and pretty much the other end, it pretty much sits on there like that. So let me go ahead and get this together and come back and show you what I have done. So I'm going to start by, how I do this, I normally just zip tie it. That's the easiest for me. Hold on, I'm trying to grab a zip tie. So as you can see, I pass the zip tie through. Connect that end, and then I'll pretty much have it where the spark plug wire is at the top of this, and I normally just put it through like this, like so. Let me check the length real quick to see if it will reach. Yeah, it looks like it will reach the other wires. Let me go ahead and zip tie it now to the bike. I think previously I had it where the CDI is actually below here, but right here should be fine. And let me go ahead and grab another zip tie and pretty much grab another zip tie like I said and strap it down to here. That way it doesn't move up. And of course I'm going to cut off my ends and whatnot. You can see the wires are right here. It should meet up. Let me actually take the knot out of it real quickly. As you can see here, pretty much I had took the knot out of the wires. And let me go ahead and wire them up. Okay, so as you can see here, black is the black, blue is the blue. This is also coming from the kill switch as well. So that wire that passes down. Don't worry about my cable management. I'm actually about to rip this setup completely off this bike. So once I get my new engine for the other bike, then this engine is pretty much just going to be sitting in storage as a backup or something like that. So let me go ahead and get some electrical tape. But first, before I get the electrical tape, let me go ahead and see if this works. Let me go ahead and power the bike on. Oh guys, I also forgot. So you will actually want to put this in there, the spark plug hat, or whatever you want to call it. Make sure you have a solid connection, push it down. Okay, so pretty much CDI is in, bike power's on, so you know everything's good. Just make sure you warm up the bike before you go riding. That's what I normally like to do. But yeah, like I said, oh yeah, the tires are bald on this too. I had took this, the front tire off of this was actually the back tire on this bike. So, and everybody's giving me shit for this is because the bike came, the pipe came actually leaking, but whatever. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. Peace.